Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have with us a Muscle Mania car, and it is 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. This is in a very beautiful color, a glittery color, and we'll see about this car in detail after unboxing it. So you can see the card art is very nice, but I'm not sure whether we have all these details in the car itself. We'll check that. I got this for 179 rupees from that local store only. So let's see how it is from inside. Let me cut it. Okay, the operation is been done nicely today. So yeah, very easily we removed this one. So okay, the first impressions are it's not that heavy, it's very lightweight. Hotwheels don't make the cars they usually used to make. Not feeling that heaviness inside it. Base is plastic, body is metal, little bit. Okay, I like the design. This is a muscle car, guys, so there are some scratches here and there, but that's okay, that's manageable. Okay, in the windshield I'm seeing some dirt. I think it's from inside, so that is also okay. Some glittery particle inside. Yeah, let me observe it a little bit. What's there, what is not there? Let me zoom it for you also. Let me zoom it for you all guys also. Okay, yeah, if you're able to see now, it's written Eliminator over here, Cougar written over here on the side, and some stripes that are going all the way around this thing. The paint job of stripes is not that good if you look closely, but if you move away, there is nothing as such as irregularity, but if you move closer you can see a little bit on the paint finish and lines. Let's see on the front, we don't have anything, just it's just chromed out. And yeah, if you seen the card art, I'm able to see this Cougar over here on the logo, but you can't see here. If you go in detail also, if I zoom it a little bit, then also you're not able to see. I think it's engraved here. Yeah, they've engraved a little bit position over here, but you can't see it. It's not a Cougar, just a square, that's all. But the grille is nice. I liked the chrome knot finish on it, and this the shape that is going from here, right, the lines and all of this car is very good. The bottom also, from the top also, if you see, it's very good. There also some vents are there, and it's a left hand drive. You can see the interior. It's a 4-seater car. The interior is good, I liked it. We have a spoiler over here. Let's see in back, this is also chromed out. Some exhaust detailing, chassis detailing is there. You can see 16 Mercury written on the bottom, and the tire as usual as plastic tires. Muscle cars are like broader in this width. Okay, I'll show you. I have one more muscle car. This one I got last year. This is a 71 Plymouth GTX, and this interior is chromed out, and if you see, like, this is very heavy and this is lightweight. Like, both are muscle cars only, but you can see the difference in years, like how Hot Wheels have changed. I'll show you here. See the detailing on this car and the below one. You can see the quality difference right from your eyes. See how detailed it is. How they used to make and how they are making now, it's like very different. This one I bought for, I think, last year and on the same price. I'm not able to remember the exact price, but yeah, I still have this, and it's my first muscle car, so this is good. We have one more, but it's not fair to compare it. But we'll see. This is from the Ultra Hot series, guys. See these muscle cars. This is, I have an openable hood also. So that's it, guys, for this car. I'll just give you a 360 look and we will end this video. Not much to talk about this car, but yeah, we'll hold it as long as we can. Let's see how it rolls. I forgot you to show that. It wobbles a little bit, but it rolls very. That's it for this video, guys. We'll meet in next video. Bye bye.